The Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen claims to eliminate toenail fungus, kill 99.9% of bacteria, and restore nail health in just 14 days. But does it really work? Looking at its promises, it's easy to be skeptical. Many similar products make bold claims but fail to deliver. The marketing suggests fast, visible results, but without clinical studies or FDA approval, it's hard to verify these claims. Some users report slight improvements, while others see no change at all, leading to questions about whether the formula is truly effective or just a temporary fix. The ingredient list includes common antifungal agents, but nothing groundbreaking, and the lack of transparency regarding testing raises concerns. Additionally, many online reviews seem overly positive, possibly fake or incentivized, making it difficult to trust the feedback. While some may experience benefits, others might find it no more effective than a standard antifungal cream. Ultimately, the Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen isn't necessarily a scam, but it also doesn't appear to be the miracle cure it's advertised to be. If you've tried it, share your experience in the comments.